I felt like the Steelers look good, and I think the Steelers. I'm cheering for the Steelers, and I don't often say that, but I do like what they've done this offseason. I like the idea of them trying to move to an environment that's so much less based on conflict and dealing with all kinds of distractions. I like the move that they're making there. I think that, you know, this is a team that's gone through tremendous adversity this training camp with losing their wide receivers coach, and I'm hopeful that this experiment works. And I think that with Ben Roethlisberger, all of those wide receivers have a chance to become special. And you've got guys like Dante Moncrief, who could make a jump. You've got Dante Johnson. It's James Washington has had a really nice preseason. I think he got 10 or 11 catches. So they're hoping that that's going to continue to improve. So they're going to be in the mix. And we saw some really positive things defensively as well. So it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out, especially early. But I think that this is going to be a team that has a chance to go a long way.